Guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we proceed, please know that this is not financial advice. You are free to do whatever you like with your money. And that being said, guys, let's take a sip of coffee from my Casper Maxi mug. Everything, guys, everything tastes better with Casper. Today we're about to do the same thing we do every day. We look at the 24 hours market performance, then we look at the prices in a little details, and then we check our positions, see whether we want to see whether they're going up, down, left, right, or whatever they're doing. Okay. Anyway, that's what we're about to do today. Now, before we do that, guys, it is my God, I don't know. Sometimes I don't know how to tell you guys what is really happening right in front of your eyes. I don't know how to say it. Some people usually be like, okay, the coins you're talking about, everything else is pumping. Those guys are not pumping. And I go, I'll give you a perfect example. When Casper was pumping, everything else was dumping, right? And plus, if you look at Casper, we've been on the downtrend since when did we hit 18 cents? September 15th or thereabout. That's when Casper hit the downtrend, and it's not dumping; it's a normal correction. These things happen in the bull run. In every bull run, we have price going up and then taking a breather because there are some people who feel that they've made enough money, which is okay. It's okay if you feel you've made enough money on your investment. If you feel you've made enough money on your investment, it's never a bad thing to take profits. Understand? Okay? Me, I feel like Casper can run way higher than this. That's why I always say $10 is the target price for Casper. Okay? But some people feel like, you know what? At 18 cents, they've made enough. I bought Casper less than a cent and I still hold it. That's why I am a Casper Maxi. Not because I want to marry the coin, but because I believe in the potential that it has to go up to $10 this run. Probably next upcoming runs we're going to see $50, $100 or $200. Understand? So it's normal. There are also such things as day traders, people that swing trades every day, trade on some Casper to go buy Ethereum and all that stuff. Okay. And also, we have the non-believers who think that, okay, Casper is not going to do anything. I think if Rich is at the top. But those same people will tell me that, you know what, they're about to go all in on Pepe, the meme coin, which has a higher market cap than Casper. And I believe, Pepe has no utility. It's just a meme coin at 4 billion or 4 point some billion dollars market cap, and people still think, oh, we are early, which is okay. You know what, to each his own. You can go ahead and put your money there. Understand? What I'm trying to tell you guys is, when you look at it, okay, let's just say I'm new, I don't have any Casper at all, and I want to get into Casper right now. What is guaranteed is that Casper is going to go above its all-time high, which was around 21 cents. Therefore, if you get into Casper right now at 13 cents, by the time it gets to 21 cents, you're going to make a lot of money. That is guaranteed. Okay, that is guaranteed. Not only that, look at Quant. Look at Quant. I tell guys, you know what? It is just because it's not moving as fast as you want does not mean the coin is dead. That is quite the opposite. People are just blind to the entire situation right now. Everybody who's been following the financial system knows how valuable Quant is. Understand? Some countries are choosing XRP. Some people are talking about XLM. Some people are talking about a bunch of other coins. But when you dig deep low, it all comes down to one thing. Okay? Only one thing. And that one thing is that they are going to need overledger. And how do they use overledger? They need to hold quants. Is that the same thing? Like, because people talk, I'm telling you, all those ISO coins, they are all riding on the back of quant technology. That's what is happening. And if everybody else, they won't tell you the truth. Okay, let's just forget about that part. If you buy quant today at 60, what is it right now? 64, $65. And quant goes back to its all-time high, which I'm telling you, it is going to go there very, very soon. It's going to pass it. By the time it gets back to $400, you have multiplied your money faster than anybody who is holding XRP. Understand? That's what I'm trying to tell you. It's just like some people, they're chasing pumps. And in this world, in this market, in this niche of cryptocurrencies, when you chase pumps, you lose a lot of money. That's what happens. You have to be focused. You have to chase what you believe in. Okay? If you believe in meme coins, that's okay. But I don't know. I wouldn't do that if I were you. Okay? It's okay. Like I've always said it. If you want to get a meme coin, you take that lottery. You take that chance when that coin is still at $10-20 million market cap. Now, a lot of them will die. A lot of them will go up. Understand? So, you don't want to take that gamble when the coin has already passed $200-400 million market cap. Understand? You don't want to do that. But anyway, everybody wants to do what they want to. And I tell you guys, I don't understand why people still meme coin like Pepe. It's not a Pepe is not a bad thing. I'm just saying, like I don't get it. Why will you go and invest in a meme coin that is almost $4.5 billion market cap and still call it early? And you have coins like Casper or Quant, which has a lot of utility. At Quant, it's even less than $1 billion market cap, and people think it's not going to do anything. Slide over to Jasmine. Guys, Jasmine is working on their own chain. And that their chain, it looks like it's completed because Junction is a layer 2 of Jasmine. It's already gone live. They don't have a native token yet. Okay, it's a layer 2 for Jasmine chain. So that layer 2 is what the Sony, PlayStation, the Microsoft, and by the way, which just came out, that Microsoft just signed a deal with Jasmine. Okay, that is another thing that people are not talking about. Why? Because data, guys, that data is king. Yeah, a lot of people talking about that they're bearish and Jasmine is there, blah blah blah, but they're not seeing what they're doing behind. And coins like that, guys, when they take off, when a coin has been going sideways for a long time, okay, and then takes off, it usually be monumental. It usually be epic. That is something I'm trying to tell you guys. Okay, you gotta look at those things. I'll give you a perfect example. Sui. How long did Sui go downwards? Look at it now. Sui's been performing better than Solana. It has a higher daily volume, transaction volume than Solana. Why? Because it's faster than Solana, right? It's cheaper than Solana. Now imagine when the real smart contracts get onto Casper. You haven't seen anything. You haven't seen anything yet. That's why I believe Casper is going to $10. Because trust me, when those smart contracts get onto Casper, you think Sui is good? Wait until you see Casper, on steroids. Casper is fast right now. Casper is cheap right now. Imagine when those smart contracts get on there, okay? And the gigawatt stable coin goes live. Guys, you haven't seen anything yet. You haven't seen anything like it yet. And right now, they are almost integrating the 10 BPS on there. So that means Casper will support more volume than the entire cryptocurrency industry. And you're about to see it. That's what I told you guys. Once that stable coin comes on, 95% of all the transactions going in are going to be on Casper, because people are going to figure out that Casper is way better all around on every other blockchain. Okay, so yeah, it's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when, because these coins, guys, I told you guys we bottomed, and you can see the same thing I told you guys about Bitcoin wasn't going back down to 48,000 like everybody was saying, and I told you guys 60,000. Okay, where we went a little bit, I think it went down to 59, something like that, and then bounce. Look at it today. Look at it today, and I'm telling you, Casper, Quant, Jasmine, they are already showing those signs. We've bottomed out, guys. That thing's about to run. Okay, anyways, now let's look at the crypto markets to see how we've been performing for the past 24 hours. Let's go here, crypto bubbles. Excuse me. You can see everything is is beginning to look green. While everybody was telling you that it was crashing down, I kept telling you guys it's the opposite. Opposite is happening. Now let's look at Casper. KAS. Casper, there you have it. 24 hours volume, $41 million. Not that bad. Okay, and we still at the market cap 3.3 almost $3.4 billion market cap. So the price right now is at almost 14 cents. You see, yesterday we were going close to 13 cents. It's beginning to go up slowly. But anyways, for the past hour we are up 0.4%, 0.36% up on the day, 0.58% up on the week, 22% down on the month, and 212% up on the year. Compare those numbers to yesterday and day before, you will see that we're going slightly sideways. This thing is about to pump. Okay, let's look at Quant, QNT, the coin that a lot of people love to hate. See that? Coin right now is still at market cap of $808 million. The 24 hours volume is at 15.35 million. That's quite low, but okay, that's all right. Okay, for the past hour we are up 0.18%, 1.4% up on the day, 0.52% down on the week, 10.3% down on the month, and 22.3% down on the year. Look at that number again. Those numbers are flat. It looks like Quant is about to start going up, or it's going sideways that way, but we're not going down. Now let's go look at Jasmine, JASMY. Okay, look at that Jasmine, market cap 1 billion. Wow, it went up. 24 hours volume here, the trading volume is at $67 million. That's pretty good. Okay, now for the past hour we are up 0.67%, 6.1% up on the day, guys. Wow. 6.5% up on the week, 0.005% up on the month, and 572% up on the year. Now, see that? Amazing numbers. Like I told you guys, we bottom out. If you put those numbers on the chart, it will be sideways, like really from falling down. Now we're starting to curve, going sideways, curving all the way up. But anyways, now let's go look at the prices in a little bit more details. I'm just gonna scan on there, okay, to see what is really happening there. First, let's check my trading view. Trading view. Right here, we're gonna start with Casper. Yesterday, exactly like I told you guys, it was gonna happen. Okay, look, Casper tried that upside resistance. See, upside resistance. Tried it again. Upside resistance. Now, like I told you guys, look at the ribbon. This is on the 4 hours, by the way. See the ribbon? It's curving, so I'm expecting Casper to go up again and try it, okay, and break away from that. If you can look at it, Casper is forming an ascending triangle. What I mean by that is, if you draw a trend line right here, see, that's an ascending triangle that we are forming right now, right there. See that? So I can extend that line. Excuse me if it's not perfect, because I'm using my phone right now. See, we are forming an ascending triangle with higher lows, higher lows everywhere, and you can see it. So guys, look, see, higher low, higher low, higher low. So yeah, I'm expecting this to go and again try, or probably it's gonna come back down to retest down here again and then go again and try. So yeah, we are halfway. It looks like we are 50% into this ascending triangle. Okay, so guys, it is simple. You gotta look at it and pay attention, because like I tell you, everything is running. Bitcoin now is showing signs of breaking up again. It looks like we are going to be about to hit that $73,000 Bitcoin, and that is what Casper needs. What that happen, Casper is going to break up again, and we're going to go to the upside down, to the all-time high at 21 cents. Now guys, you got to look at it, and I always tell you guys, not only that, look at stuff on the daily. Okay, on the daily, if I zoom out, you can see this again. We are following the same trajectory again. It looks like Casper is about to break out. Bigger moves are coming. Look at the ribbon, the one I was showing you guys yesterday. You see how it has begun to spread out? I'm meaning it's about to start curving on the daily, and then you're about to see Casper start to run even harder than what it is doing right now. Okay, so guys, it is something you got to pay attention to. Okay, if you have your trades open, perfect. If you don't have it, you might want to consider to have a long trade open by now, but that's not financial advice. I'm only telling you guys what I am doing. But anyways, now let's go right quick and look at Quant. Let's go look at Quant right quick. QNT, USDT, excuse me, right there. Okay, so 1 hour. Let me zoom out, go that way a little bit. See that? Yesterday, this is what we was talking about, and again, no need to panic. Quant is doing its thing. See, yesterday we talked about breaking above the ribbon, and you can see we broke above this very resistance, broke above it, broke above the ribbon, even broke above the moving average. Okay, now this one is not what is happening right now. Bitcoin is having a little bit of a dump, which is okay, because this is about to start continue its trajectory upwards. As you can see, we are riding the ribbon. Nice and easy. Everything is going according to plan. Now, if you can go to the 4 hours, go to the 4 hours. See this? You can even see it. I told you guys, this line gotta move downwards a little bit right here. Okay. Now, I told you guys we formed that double bottom. You remember? 1, 2, and up we went. Now on the 4 hours, like I say, it's normal. We went up. Look at the ribbon. Ribbon is curving, so it's normal for the price to come down, test the ribbon, and then we are going to keep on going. This is very bullish. Guys who want to think that this price is going back down to $40, I don't know what to tell you guys. I don't know what to tell you, because this thing is getting ready to bust even higher than this. Okay, now if you go on the weekly, like I always say, I will keep on showing you guys this thing every day, in case you don't want to, in case you are losing hope, in case you are how you say it, you're a little bit desperate because everything else is pumping and Quant is not moving. Guys, this right here is the beginning of something bigger. I told you guys, I drew the fib retracement. Okay, look at the first line of the fib retracement, $125. So yeah, down from a W, look at the ribbon, it's begun to spread out. So this thing is about to run even higher than this. Okay, do not lose your hope. Don't let anybody else mislead you and make you lose this opportunity, because it only comes but once. Okay, now let's go look at Jasmine right quick. We go here, Jasmine, JASMY. We're gonna go on Binance. See, yesterday I told you guys the same. Okay, I'm still a little bit bearish until we go up to that 2.3 cents. 2.3 cents is a big resistance. I want to see Jasmine break this. And yesterday, if you remember, if you watch my videos for yesterday, I told you guys we were going to break above the moving ribbon. Look at that. That's a nice pump upwards. And right now, Jasmine is trading at 2 cents. It's okay. After this major run, it's okay for price to come down, probably test the ribbon before continuing upwards. Okay. Now, if you go on the 4 hourly, look at that. On the 4 hourly, you can even see something a little bit more bullish. See, ribbon just started to turn green, and this pump went above the moving average, came back. Now we're getting a support on the moving average, which shows you that this is not over yet. We are starting to go again. We even went all the way up to 2.1 cent. Now we came down. Normally it's okay. Now guys, pay attention to Jasmine. It looks like Jasmine is about to start moving very hard. Okay, so if you look at it on the daily, let's go on the daily, and let me zoom in a little bit. See, this is what I want to show you on the daily, guys. Look at the ribbon. See how it has started to curve? We pumped, got rejected by the moving average down, but this is not over yet. It looks like Jasmine, guys, this 2.3 cents. It looks like we're about to take off that that resistance, turn it into support. That is one thing you gotta look at. Okay, so by the end of the year, I'm not surprised if Jasmine is around that 12 to 15 cents. Right now, is something that is being brewing in the charts. And guys, you've got to pay very good attention to this, guys. You got to pay attention to it. Now, that said, again, I will say it. You can either 5, 10, or 20x your money. But please, guys, I do not condone leverage trading if you don't know what you're doing, because you could lose your money very easily. Okay? But if you know what you're doing, below I do have Phemex and Bydfi. Bydfi, all those two exchanges, they will give you free money for up to $3,000. It's not $100K. It's not $100,000. I don't know who is gonna give you that, but anyways, up to $3,000 when you meet their deposit. Okay, if you meet their deposit goals, you get 3 grand. On that 3 grand, guys, start trading with it. You can copy me, copy somebody else, or do you. Okay, I don't care. That is not what I care about. I care about you making money, and then we come out here, and then celebrate that money. Once you start making that money, then you can take your initial deposit out and do whatever you want to do with it. Okay, you use that money, free money they give you, and grow it up. That's what I did. Okay, so all these positions you're looking at right now is no longer my money. It's now the house money that I've been winning on all these trades. Now I'm doing something else with it. Okay, so now let's go right quick and look at my Bydfi. Again, that is where I keep my seasonal trades. What are those? Those are trades that I plan to keep open to the top of the bull run or closer to the top of the bull run, unless something happens. If there is an emergency, then I can close them. But anyways, let's go look at them right quick. Bydfi right here. Okay, today I am up 9,800. If you follow me yesterday, I was up 9,200 or 9,300, something like that. But as you can see, I'm going up like really crazy. Looking at my contract, okay, my contract, look at my Casper, guys. See that? It is going. Yesterday I was still negative, what, 47, 45, that about. Today I'm still down, but it's minus 42%, which is 1,900. Looking at my quant, okay, my quant, I'm break even 0%, which is 0.7%, which is around $50. You see that? We're doing pretty good on these positions. Now, do not, I say it every time, do not be like me, okay, unless you know what you're doing. I'm very aggressive. I trade at 50x on all my trades. 50x. Okay, don't do it if you don't know what you're doing. Okay, now let's go look at my Phemex. On my Phemex, here, let me sign in. Wow, Phemex is even doing way better compared to yesterday. Today I am up 11,700, almost $12,000. You see the difference? It is growing. Yesterday I think I was up 10,300 or something like that. but it is growing 11,700. If you look at my contract, you can see, yes, I am still down on my Jasmine. Again, don't be like me. I am trading at very high leverage, 50x on all my positions. Don't do like me if you don't know what you're doing. But anyways, Jasmine, I am still down 18%, which is 2,100. And Casper, I am also still down 44%, which is 1,800. You guys remember the numbers yesterday? They were looking even worse than this, but they're looking better today. Anyways, I keep telling you guys, if you want to take profit on Jasmine, these are the points. I'm not taking profit. Jasmine is my seasonal trade. I won't take profit in this unless there is an emergency and I really need the funds. But anyways, you gotta look at, first of all, 4.5 cents. This will make me $18,000. Okay, this is a good place to take profits if you want to. And then you have we have 12 cents. Sorry, let me go right here. We have 12 cents. This will make me $80,000. This is also a good place to take profits, okay? Or you want to wait at the golden pocket, which is at 15 cents, which will make me $104,000, okay? And now you can hold that and then wait for the ultimate resistance, because I call it ultimate. There is a lot of resistance at 20 cents, guys. At 20 cents, this will make me $146,000, okay? Now, I keep saying this, guys. After drawing the feed on the last all-time high, it shows that Jasmine is going to go to 60 or 70 cents. For me, at 60 cents, this thing will make me $477,000. At 70 cents, it will make me $559,000. Now, if the lockup is good and they lock up a lot of coins, we have the potential of this thing going to $2. Okay. $2, this thing will make me $1.6 million. But guys, you guys already know me. I will be out of the market way before $2 because I don't like the price confirmation. I usually go way before that. Now at Casper, it's a different story. Okay, Casper, we're looking at, first of all, if you want to take profits, you gotta look first at the 21 cents, which will make me, for me, it will make me 2,600. Then you gotta look at 30 cents. Okay, for me, it will be $8,000 profit. And then I also told you guys, this thing looks like you're about to go to 50 cents. 50 cents, this thing will make me $20,000. Now, if all the exchanges, the rumors we are looking at, I think Kraken and Binance, they are about to list Casper. With everything going on with those two, I think we're about to have a major listing on Casper. If they do that, we're about to have Casper probably at $2, and this will make me $110,000. Okay, for sure, guys. I am going to take profits here, probably close the entire position and reopen it up again. So there you have it. There you have it, guys. It's just something that most people are not looking at, and I try to bring it to you guys every day. I know. A lot of people think it's repetition all the whole time, but charts don't stay static. You have to always keep updating people. I hope you're getting value out of this. If you are, please consider subscribing to my channel. Turn on your notifications so that you will know when I drop a new video every day. And again, please comment. I would like to know what you think. What's your opinion? What's your take on all this? Okay, please comment, and don't forget to share so that other people like you and me can can get value out of this, and the family can keep growing. Okay, that being said, guys, don't let the peer pressure make you do a mistake. I will consider non-reversible. Don't miss it. It's almost here, guys. We bottom out, and this thing is about to take off. Okay, it's about to take off, and I will sit here and I will tell you, I told you so. I will tell you that. I told you guys, first 2 weeks of October, after we had a green September, usually be red. And what happened? Was I wrong? We're coming. We are about to finish the second week of October, and this thing is about to go very boom. That's what it's about to do. That being said, guys, Please, please take care of yourself and be safe out there. Until I see you in my next one. Bye bye.